I'm standing here in my kitchen at the stove actually, but I'm not going to cook for you, but we are going to do a little upgrade for this one. I'm going to fix Dean's connectors, so hope you like it. So this is my way to do it. So first of all, you need a gun with the wrong connectors. In this case, a small Tamiya. Some new Dean's soldering wire, soldering iron or pen, some shrink wrapping, a heater for that, some tools to cut it with, and I use this one sometimes to have an extra hand. So let's get to it. First of all, just cut the old connector. Cut it as close as possible because you want to have as much cables or wires as possible. Then shave them a little bit, not too much. Like that. Now it's good with that extra hand to keep it in place. So I can add some soldering to it. Like that. And same to the other one, of course. Then it's good to add some soldering to the connecting surfaces of the DIN connector. So it's much easier than for the wire to connect to this. Because if you heat it too much, it will be really bad connector here and it will lose the stability, because some of the cheaper ones even melt pretty bad. So when I do my soldering, I usually keep them like this, like a pair, so I know they will keep in place. Just like that, and same to the other side. Then cut a couple of pieces of the shrink wrapping and add them to one of the cables that you want to solder, the one you solder first. It's your choice, of course. Then it's time to solder it in place. Be sure to add the right color to the right side. just like that. Then install the shrink wrapping and heat it up real good. Like that, and repeat for the other color. And when everything is cooled down a bit, you can disconnect this little guide. Connect the battery. And enjoy your new upgraded gun. Thanks for watching.